4 Facts about true love. The good news is that true love exists. The bad, it is not how they paint it in stories, so, how is it? Since they are girls, they are programmed to be princesses, and therefore, to find a prince charming, that is, someone perfect with whom women build a perfect relationship. It is practically inevitable to grow without idealizing love, however as we mature and acquire experience, we realize that romantic relationships are much more complex than and they lived happily ever after. This is when other factors of great importance such as family, money, work, each one's dreams, etc. appear. However, just learning to get ahead is what defines relationships and makes them strong. Here are some universal truths about true love that we want to share with you. 1. Love changes. Life changes every minute, and with it, love. Just like water, when relationships are not in constant movement, they stagnate and spoil. You need changes in your life because you grow, your tastes and needs change, and suddenly you run into a new job, you see your partner less often, but true love is like river water, always find a way to get ahead despite the obstacles. It is understandable that people fear changes because we think that this includes the possibility of losing the beloved person, however, we should not fear them, on the contrary, remember that a love that adapts to changes becomes indestructible. 2. You can live without the other person. We agree it's not the most romantic thing you've heard, however, it's true. One thing is that you miss your boy a lot, and another thing is that you cannot live without him. Of course, you could continue to live and breathe if he was not there, but you do not want it to be like that because life is simply more fun and enjoyable when you are together. True love is a choice. 3. They should not know everything about each other. It is perfectly understandable that your boyfriend is your friend and that you can trust him fully, however that is not a guarantee that you should know all his past life, nor he yours. And it's not that you're hiding anything bad, but why bring ghosts from the past to your current relationship? It is best you tell things each other as far as you feel comfortable, but not to the extent of feeling obligated. 4. Love is not easy. Nobody promised that it was, they just said it would be wonderful, and it is. However, in the long run, you understand that nothing is perfect but ideal, and that they lived happily ever after is built day by day. The joke will be to accept that there will be very bad days and very good days, but if both want to continue together, both will have to put their own part because nothing is forever, unless we build it daily that way. What do you think? Do you believe that true love exists? Has it happened to you? To learn more about 4 facts about true love, download my book free by clicking the book image on the right or the link in the description below, and please subscribe to this channel and share this video.